This video details the precision calibration for Z-axis gearbox integration, specifically optimizing Fanuc 0i-TD parameters for a Stober 4:1 mechanical reduction. The primary objective is the integration of a Stober 4:1 gearbox onto the Z-axis assembly. Our calibration strategy uses the command multiply ratio, or CMR, parameter 1820 for mechanical reduction scaling. The mechanical architecture involves the Fanuc alpha motor, the Stober gearbox with a 4:1 ratio, and the Warner electric drive. The gearbox quadruples the pulse density required per inch of travel. In the control loop logic, the command multiply ratio, or CMR, must align the motor encoder pulses to the physical output as the gearbox is downstream of the motor. For the parameter strategy, the flexible feed gear, FFG, defines the CNC command resolution and should not be changed for gear reduction. The CMR is the correct lever for the 4:1 gearbox as it scales the pulse count without altering the command unit. To calculate pulse density, we multiply the encoder output by the mechanical ratio. Then we divide this result by the screw pitch, which yields 8 million pulses per inch. The system must process this for every inch of Z-axis travel. To configure CMR parameter 1820, a setting of 2 is correct after the 4x mechanical reduction, as it compensates for the 4x reduction by adjusting pulse weighting by powers of 2. We need to set the motor type parameter No 2020 to 323 for the Alpha IS 44000 HV motor. Other feedback parameters, 2023 and 2024, are also shown here. The reference counter, parameter 1821, must be set to the total position pulses per screw revolution with the 4:1 gearbox. This ensures the zero return grid point is consistent with the physical table. Validation involves checking the diagnosis screen. Command a move. Observe the DGN 300 position error during the move. Verify it returns to near zero at standstill, and then measure the physical travel with a dial indicator. When handling mechanical variants, do not adjust FFG or CMR to compensate for lead error. Instead, input compensation values into the pitch error compensation table. For safety, verify torque limits using parameters 2087, 2187s. For overtravel, verify the stored stroke limits align with the new physical travel. Finally, reevaluate rapid traverse deceleration time constants due to gearbox inertia impacting stopping distance. The implementation checklist includes 3 phases: hardware verification, parameterization, and validation. Key steps involve setting parameters 2020 and 1820 and checking DGN 300 for position error. This slide provides a summary key of the technical references and data sources, including the CMR, reference counter, and FFG parameters, along with component specifications. Precision is achieved through proper parameterization by aligning digital logic with mechanical reality. Remember, FFG is for resolution, CMR is for mechanical scaling, and compensation is for tolerance.